Come with me on a very windy day. I failed to explore Blythe Tower, so move on to follow some train tracks.
Take off.
The drone was sitting at a 30-degree angle, trying to steady itself in the wind. Oh, sugar. Yeehaw! I had to kill the motors, and the drone eventually dropped low enough to grab. Phew. On to the abandoned railway. This was really cool. The wind died down a little, so we put the speed up a bit. Thanks for watching.